Hello guys, today our lecture is on Gantt chart, how we will draw a Gantt chart. So first of all, let's discuss Gantt chart. Gantt chart actually is a chart which is used to graphically represent your project, the number of tasks in that project and starting date of each task and the number of days for each task in which it will be completed. So this is what actually Gantt chart is. Gantt chart is important for project planning from presentation point of view, especially for the students of final year who has final year project. They will have to show the planning of their final year project through Gantt chart. So to draw it, let's start with entering the data in the column A, or name the column A as task, name column B as starting date, and name column C as number of days to complete it. Let's say we have total 6 tasks in a project. Name each task as task 1, task 2 up to task 6 and enter those names in task column and enter the starting date of each task. Let's say for first task the starting date is 1st January and for second it is 10 January and so on. Then in the third column enter the number of days in which you will complete each task. Like for first it is 10 days, for second task it is 15 and so on. Now to draw a Gantt chart, click on insert and after that click on bar chart where you can see different options. In 2D bar chart you can use stacked bar, or in 3D you can use stacked bar in 3D. So we will draw our Gantt chart in 3D. So let's click on stacked bar in 3D. You can see the chart area has appeared. Now right click on that and click on select data. In the pop-up window click on add and a new window is appeared. In the series name click on starting date and in the series value select the 1st January up to 20th February and click OK. Then again click on add and click on days to complete, and again in the series value first of all remove the default value and select the days to complete for each task and click on OK. Then click on edit and select from task 1 up to task 6 and click on OK, and again click on your Gantt chart is 80% completed. Since the first task is at the bottom, you want it to be at the top. Right click on it and then click on format axis and click on categories in reverse order, so it will reverse the order of the tasks. This blue area shows starting date and there is no work on that particular task in this blue area, so let's remove it so that we can easily interpret our chart. So for that right click on that blue area and click on format data series, then click on fill where different options will be appeared, so click on no fill. Name the chart title as Gantt chart. Now the only thing that is remaining in the Gantt chart is to have the first task at the origin axis, or to have the task axis at 1st January. So right click on the date axis which is at the top and click on format axis. You can see there axis options are appeared. There in the minimum you have two options, one is auto and other one is fixed. You can see that it has taken a certain value of date for task axis automatically. When you click on fixed, then you can change this value. Here you should remember that in Excel date is represented by a certain number. Let's take 1st January and let's see its respective number through which it is represented. So go to the custom and click on general. So 44927 is the number through which 1st January is represented. Now click on date axis and right click on it and then click on format axis. Put 44927 in the minimum and close the window. Your Gantt chart is completed, and if you want to change the color of at, you can change it this way.